Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be sharing my first impressions on SheGlam, the beauty brand by Shein. I went ahead and did my face makeup because the products I'm trying out today are a brow pencil, an eyeshadow palette, a mascara, and a lipstick. First of all, these products are extremely affordable. The brow pencil is $3, the eyeshadow palette is $6, and the mascara and lipstick are both $4 each. To get started, let's try out the brow pencil. This is in the shade Coffee, and it has a similar shape to the Anastasia Brow Definer or the Benefit Goof Proof. So it's not really my favorite shape because it is more triangular. I definitely prefer a more precise tip. It's less messy that way, and you can create more hair-like strokes. So first impressions, this brow pencil is retractable, so I'm really happy about that. But I don't really appreciate that the shade range is only 4 shades. It does seem to be the correct shade for me. And the pigment is still there, but I think they should have more shades available. Like, I don't even think they have a shade for blonde hairs, like a taupe or anything like that. So I definitely think they can improve on that. But for $3, it seems to do the job, so I'm pretty happy with it. So now that I've cleaned up my eyebrows and primed my eyelids, I'm ready to test out the Beach Sunset palette. This is a 9-pan palette, and it reminds me of a ColourPop palette, but I'm really excited to test out the formula because there are matte, shimmer, and metallic shades in this, so let's go ahead and dip right in. First, I'm picking up the shade 8 PM, which is a deep matte brown, and I'm applying this into my crease. Right off the bat, I didn't notice any kickback in the palette, so I'm pretty happy about that. As I'm applying it, it seems to go on pretty smooth. It's not the easiest to work with, but you just take a little extra time and it'll blend out real nice. So next I'm picking up Serene, and I'm sweeping this along the top edge of the previous shade. Just working on blending it out and bringing a bit more warmth into the look. They seem to be blending together fairly easily. It's not taking much effort on my part, so I am very happy about that. Finally, I'm blending everything out a bit by taking the lightest shade in the palette called Dusk and sweeping this around the outer edge of everything. And that gave a really nice blended look. Moving on, it's time to try the mascara. It claims to be waterproof, smudge-proof, volumizing, and long-wearing. I'm not a big fan of mascara in general. My lashes just simply don't cooperate with mascara, so I always wear false lashes. But actually, as I'm applying this, it looks pretty good. There doesn't seem to be any flaking, and the wand is a pretty decent size, so I definitely say that it's worth it for the $4. I'm really excited to try out the lipstick because I got it in the shade Poison Ivy, which is a beautiful matte green. I've been wanting a green lipstick for a while now, as it's basically the only shade I don't have in my collection, so let's give it a go, shall we? Wow, that's like really pigmented, and it goes on so smooth. I'm literally so giddy that I have a green now. Oh my gosh, I'm totally living for this color. It's not a matte as it claims. It's more of a velvety. But that's fine by me. This is really, really unique. I love it. So what do you guys think of SheGlam? Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality and performance of everything, and the packaging was really nice for the price too. If you're interested in any of the products I tried today, you can use my discount code Cherie15 for 15% off your purchase. I really hope you all enjoyed this first impressions video of SheGlam. Let me know what you thought of everything in the comments below, and as always, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time!